Oh, way to go. It's now Lasagna from the outside in the early part. And one about Will Senor Elijah around the outside step up. Then followed by Prince Dugo, Debega and Sea Patrol. And going along for the first turn, Senor Elijah leads by flying, followed by Prince Dugawa. Running now in third is Step Ups, Sea Patrol, Lasagna and Bega. He's running in the tail of the field and passing the half mile. Senor Elijah still in front, followed by Prince Dugawa. And moving up, Step Up. Now the outside, Sea Patrol, Lasagna moving up in between horses. Inside the last 600, it's now Sea Patrol, Lasagna, Step Up. And on the outside, and inside the last 600, it's Lasagna moving up. Sea Patrol on the outside. It's now Sea Patrol on the outside, followed by Lasagna as they hit the final corner. It's still Sea Patrol. Long shot leads by some 3 lengths over Lasagna on the outside. It is still Sea Patrol, followed by Lasagna, and moving up is Bebega, but still Sea Patrol, Debega, Lasagna, Step Up, Prince Dugo, Senor Elijah.
Sino yan? Si Take Me Try.